Ang tanong, Chubbs proposes a structured dispute resolution method in which the merits of a case are argued before a panel comprising senior decision makers with or without the presence of a neutral third person, after which the parties seek a negotiated settlement. Tanong, which alternative dispute resolution system is she proposing? A, B, C, or D? Anong sagot ng mga bodies? Tamang sagot ay mini trial. Kung papansinin niyo yung mga salitang may salungguhit, merits of the case are argued before a panel. So pinag-representa sila kung ano ba yung mga ebidensya nila, ano yung argumento nila, based on merits. Based on merits. Pero, yung nasabing pagpe-present nila dun sa tinatawag na senior decision makers, ito yung mga tinatawag na panel. O parang defense lang, di ba? May panel. Na kung saan, yung mga partido ay tutulungan din na makahanap ng neutral ground or win-win solution. So again, mini trial. Akala mo parang nagta-trial din sila sa korte kasi nga pinepresenta nila yung mga ebidensya nila. So again, at the end of the day, magkakaroon sila ng negotiated settlement or tawaran. Diba? Areglo hanggat maaari. So that is mini trial.
Aim Smart, your review authority.